boarding call echo, she's holding back tears. He's leaving for another country. Time is running out. Last call echoes through the sky, like it's counting down my heart. Your suitcase standing by your side, like we're already apart. People rushing past us fast, but time is standing still. I memorize your trembling hands, like that alone could heal. You say it's only for a while, it won't change us, you promise. But distance has a way of breaking what feels honest. If love is strong enough, why am I shaking now? If we're meant to last, why does this feel like the end somehow? Before you board that plane tonight, hold me like it's not goodbye. Kiss me like you're scared to lose everything we are inside. Don't let's see you soon become a faded line. If this is just for now, then why does it feel like goodbye? They're calling out your name. If I let you walk away, will you still be mine? Or will this be the moment we wind in our minds? Before you board that plane tonight, turn around one last time. Run back into my arms. Tell me we'll survive, even oceans in between can't erase this heart of mine. Don't let this be Your sweater still on my chair, smells like smoke and cheap cologne. I pretend you left it there, so I don't feel alone. There's coffee stains